Welcome to the CosmoGlo Wheel Kit application tutorial. Important notes before applying wheels. Your package should include 4 wheels, 1 cord clip, and an alcohol swab. Gently remove the 4 rubber feet from the underside of the base. Once the feet are removed, clean the application area with the alcohol swab to remove any dust, debris, or residue. Allow the area to dry completely. Now that your base is prepped, your cord clip will be applied to the back of the base where the cord comes down the pole. Position the clip so that the opening runs parallel to the base. Position the cord so it feeds out of the pole, passes through the center of the clip, and forms a T shape out of the back of the base. Arrange the locking wheels diagonally across from each other, with a non-locking wheel in the opposite corner as if to create an X. Gently remove the wheel's backing, carefully align the square frame, and stick it onto your base in the designated corners, just shy of the base's corner edges. Repeat with all 4 wheels. This arrangement will provide optimal stability when the light wheels are locked into place. Once your wheels are placed, press down firmly on each one and the cord clip to ensure proper adhesion. Allow at least 24 hours for the adhesive to fully cure. Always lock your braking wheels and unlock them to move the light for optimal safety. Place the brakes by locking the wheels into place with a simple down step to flip the lock into place, and unlock by popping the lock up. Thank you for following this tutorial. Enjoy the convenience and added functionality of your newly upgraded CosmoGlo light.